Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Whitehead and I'm here to show potential users of Canva an interesting feature that can be used while creating a graphic design. When creating a graphic design, there are many aspects that play into the process, such as finding a template, adding in text, choosing colors, adding in figures, and so much more. While conducting my usability test on Canva, I found a very helpful feature when adding in figures. Once you've found a template, or once you have a blank sheet to work with and you are ready to add in finishing touches, such as figures, this feature comes in handy. The features are located in this toolbar under Elements, and as you can see, they are organized in categories, which makes them simple to locate. When I was conducting my usability test, I found that other graphic design sites similar to Canva, such as Projector, don't have nearly as many options for figures, if any at all. If you are looking for real-life images, there is also an option for this under the Photos tab. Canva gives the option to use their free images, or you can upload your own. And by uploading your own, there's an Upload tab for that as well. Once you've found a figure that you like, it's a simple click and drag onto the template. So say I wanted to add in this, for example. Click on it and drag it onto the template. And then it's super simple to resize them or relocate them throughout the graphic. That concludes my usability test on Canva. This feature is fun and very usable when it comes to creating content for a flyer, poster, social media, or whatever the design may be for. Thank you for your time and happy designing.